Let us see how you can create templates for your WhatsApp API. Click on view icon, click on create a template and write a template name. You have multiple category options for your template. So I'll explain all the three categories. The marketing category is used for sending product updates, offers, discounts. The utility category is used only for transactional updates, and the authentication category is used for sending OTPs. I'll select the marketing category, select the language of your template, select a header. So the header can be text, image, video and document. Header is optional but the body is mandatory. So for example, I want to send an image with my WhatsApp message, and all images, videos, documents need to have a body caption that is mandatory. So if I want to send an image, I need to upload an example of the image. Not necessary I only send this image while I'm actually sending the message, but I just need to upload an example. The same thing applies for video as well as document. You have to upload an example, but you can change the header file while you're actually sending the message. Next, in the body, I'll write an example body. Now this body of the template will have or can have variables. So to have variables, you simply click on this icon. So it will basically add a variable. Now this body will have certain fixed content as well as certain variables. So here we have certain fixed content. So all this is fixed content, and this 1 and 2 is basically variable which we can change when we are actually sending the message. So I need to simply click on generate variable example fields. Now you can have more than 2 variables as well by adding this, by clicking this option, but you need to give example to WhatsApp on what you're going to fill in the variables. Just one example. So here I'm just simply writing the name, and the product can be automation. So WhatsApp AI system would basically analyze the entire message. Hi name, thanks for your order, how about checking out our other product automation, and blah 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 blah. So basically this is fixed content and this is variable which you can replace while you're actually sending the message. Next we have an optional option to add footer. The footer can basically be a text message which is light gray colored text. The best thing to write here would be basically giving user an option to unsubscribe or stop their incoming messages. Next, we can add buttons. Again, this is optional. There are two types of button possibilities. First is quick reply buttons. These buttons can be up to 25 characters, and these buttons basically, as soon as the user clicks on it, it comes to your same WhatsApp API number as a reply. So you can have buttons like no more, stop, or interested. You can also add emojis to these buttons. Second type of buttons is basically call to action buttons. In this case, the user will basically do an action either inside WhatsApp or outside of WhatsApp. So there are two options right now. First is a phone number. You can have a call now button and enter your number with country code. So you need to enter your number with country code. And second option, so if you have already selected a call now button or the phone number button, the second option would be a website URL. So visit our website. Now here you can have a fixed URL. So if you have a fixed URL, you simply enter the URL and copy this and paste it to the URL example. And in case, we also have an option wherein you can add one variable to the URL end. This variable can be long up to 1000 characters. So this can be used to have variable meeting links, and then you can have your variable here, but you need to add an actual example. So something like this, wherein this one would again be replaced when you're actually sending the message. And then you can click on save and preview. You'll see a preview of your entire template here, and then click on submit for approval. So I entered an invalid phone number. Let me correct it. Yeah. So now we can again click on save and preview, and then click on submit for approval. The approval takes between 5 minutes to 2 days, and until it is approved, you'll see this as pending. Once it is approved, the status will automatically change to approve. It takes between 5 minutes up to 2 days. Thank you.